Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this crochet scrunchie. I have used two different colors for this scrunchie. You can use any two colors of your choice. So this is a very quick project and I'm using the basic stitches, and you can just make this scrunchie in less than 1 hour. So for that I need this elastic band, 3.5 mm hook, and two colors of 5-ply yarn, or you can choose any yarn of your choice. I will start by making a slip knot. Now insert the hook inside the elastic band. We will treat this as the magic ring. Pull up the yarn, take the slip knot on the hook and pull up the yarn and pull through, make a slip stitch. Now insert the hook inside the band and yarn over, bring up the yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm taking this yarn end under the stitches. Yarn over, bring up the yarn, pull through both the loops. I will be making multiple of 4. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm making this single crochet stitch across the elastic band. 8, 9, 10, 11. I will complete this and I will meet you at the end. I have done a total of 52 single crochets. You can do less or more, that depends on the width of your elastic band, but make sure to keep it multiple of 4. Slip stitch and chain 1, cut the yarn. Now insert the hook from the same point. Take the new yarn. You don't need to make the slip stitch, just hold it like this and pull up the yarn. Chain 1. Now start making single crochet, 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I did 4 single crochets. Now I will make chain 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make one more single crochet on top of the previous single crochet. So after making chain 6, I have to make one more single crochet in the same space. I will just cut this extra yarn. Now again, next 4 chains I will make single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a single crochet into the same space. Again 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same space, one more single crochet. Four single crochets, 3 and 4, chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, one single crochet into the same space. So I will just repeat that and I will meet you at the end. I'm almost done with all the stitches. Now this is chain 6. I will make one single crochet in the same space. Now next 4 final chains I will make 4 single crochets, 3 and 4. You can see this is the final stitch. That's why I have done multiple of 4. I have done 52. You can do more or less. Now make chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 and go on top of this first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Oh, sorry. Now after making chain 6 you have to make a single crochet in the same space. Now make a slip stitch into the first space and make another slip stitch into the next space. Now I will be making 6 double crochets in this chain 6 space. 1, yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull up the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is second double crochet, third, 4 and 5 and 6. After making 6 double crochet, chain 3 and make a picot stitch. Go on top of these 2 loops. Pull through and make a slip stitch. Again make 6 double crochet on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have 4 stitches here. Count 1, 2, 3. Go into the third stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make 6 double crochets over here and 2 chain 6 space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, make a picot stitch, go into the top 2 loops, pull the yarn and pull through this. Now again make 6 double crochets. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make a slip stitch into the fourth stitch. 1, 2, 3. I will just show you one more 6 double crochets here. 3, 4, 5 and 6, chain 3, picot stitch and 6 double crochet again. slip stitch into the third chain. 1 1 2 3. Now just repeat this till the end. All together I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 chain 6 spaces. So you have to repeat this pattern in each of the 13 spaces, and then your scrunchie will be ready. I will complete and meet you at the end. I'm done with all the petals now. I will make a slip stitch over here into the first stitch. Chain 1, pull through and tighten the yarn, plus you have to weave in the end. You can just go through these stitches, single crochet stitches, or if you want you can go into this double crochet stitch. I'm going into the single crochet. And cut the extra yarn. This scrunchie is ready. It's super easy and fast. You can just make it in less than half an hour. So just try this and let me know. Give me your feedback in the comment section. And hope you guys like the tutorial. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you again in the next tutorial. Bye.